in order to let the class leave today, we've got about 10 minutes to go, 12 minutes to go. Love to kick you out of here early. Your job is to just simply, I'm going to shuffle the deck up. I'm kind of suck at this. And then all we got to do is pull the card out of the deck. If the card is either, tell me about a poker deck. What's 4 suits? Where are they?
Clubs, spades, hearts, diamonds.
Clubs, spades, hearts, diamonds.
2 colors.
2 colors, red and black.
13.
13 of each. 13 times 4, 52. I love that. All right, beautiful. This is Ben and Brandon. Brandon, you go first. Go ahead, pick a card. If he picks a red card, you get out of here. Jack of clubs. Okay. Didn't get a red card. Based on the deck he just described, though, what's the chance of getting a red card?
50%.
Who wants to tell me what 50% means? A probability of 50%?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. What does that mean? I love that answer, by the way.
1 in every 2 tries, you'll pick a red card.
1 in every 2 tries to pick a red card. Let's test it. Let's test it. So, somebody said something else.
I got a question.
Steven, go.
Are there jokers in there?
I pulled the jokers. They're actually, I'll show you the jokers in a second. Jokers are right here. I pulled them all. Once the damn thing fell down, I threw them in their own pile and put bands around it. No, the jokers would throw it up just like on a rule. Oh, six of spades.
I know.
The jokers would screw it up just like on a roulette wheel. Have you noticed? You may have noticed this.
The zeros. The
zeros. The English wheel is a little better than the American wheel. There's only 1 green on the English wheel. There's 2 on the American wheel. But yeah, that's just the tilt. I took the jokers out because that would influence the results negatively, wouldn't it? Okay, come back here. Sherry, you have a question?
Can I add to what you said 1 on 2?
Yes.
On average.
Did you hear that? On average, because according to Brand, I'm going to pick on you a little bit here, if you don't mind. We picked 2 black cards. So when you said if you pick 2 cards, we're going to get a red card, you didn't mean every 2 cards, did you? You meant on average, correct? All right, Sharon, let's do it. You guys are all picking from the middle. It's so adorable. What you got? 7 of spades.
We don't want to go.
Well, it's okay because we still got 10 minutes. I'm going to keep shuffling. So, what does this deck of cards represent in statistical parlance or lingo, if you will? Think of your 243 terms. When you're studying something, I think somebody just said it. When you're studying something, be brave.
Population.
The population. Notice how when I shuffle it, I don't let you see what's in my hand. You only see, just like in Vegas. When you're in Vegas, the dealer shuffles the cards. You can't see unless you're a card counter. And then even then, you're not seeing what's in the dealer's hand. You're only seeing the cards that he shows you. What are the cards you're taking a look at as we pull this?
Sample.
What do we call those? We call those the sample, don't we? The sample, hopefully, if done randomly, that's why I'm shuffling here, hopefully, if done randomly, the sample should give you some kind of a glimpse into your population, yes? So who wants to pull? Next over here. Tell me your name. Jake. Go for it. You're going to the far end. Love it. Good.
I want to see these.
You want to? What do you want?
They're all black.
There's an accusation going on that all these cards are black. Well, the problem is you can't see the cards, can you? Why? Well, because A, I'm not showing them to you. But B, because if they're your population, do you get to see your population? Not usually, right? The population is either too big or too expensive. Sometimes you can see the population, it's just too expensive to see the population. So what do you get? Every time and only what you get? You get a sample. You guys are never leaving.
You know you worked in Vegas before you came here.
I
said you worked in Vegas.
You were a
worked
dealer
in
in
Vegas.
Vegas.
If I worked in Vegas, I'd shuffle properly. We already had a claim. Tell me your name in the back again.
Tracy.
Tracy, thank you. Her claim, after seeing 4 black cards come out, was that deck is rigged. Brandon seconded almost immediately, said that damn deck's all black. Did the 5th card change your opinion? Okay. So, why do you think the deck is all black?
So far, our sample seems to indicate that that's the situation.
Isn't it possible that if the deck were perfectly fair as you guys described, we could have seen what we just saw?
Yes.
It's perfectly possible, isn't it? So why do you think the deck is not fair?
Because the probability
Because with that deck, on average, 5 out of 5 times you pull a black card.
Sir, yes, sir. I want to tie into that with the probability of something.
Well, the probability is is lessening, have you,
Oh, that gave me chills just hearing that. My pocket. Go ahead. With the damn population.
or it's, the probability is or increasing.
One's going up, one's going down. You're
Right.
using perfect terminology with the number of. Remember, I used that principle of redundancy earlier, mentioning if you're sitting in a group with a bunch of your friends and you're all getting the same result, even if you're getting different methods, the chance of you all being wrong shrinks away to 0. That's the exact same mathematics we're talking about right here, isn't it? Let's think about this. Let's think about this. And you know what? I'm not going to think about this right now. I'm going to send you guys some decks of cards to play with. We mentioned the probability of getting a red card, right? Probability of getting a red card was what?
1 and 2.
1 in 2. And what does that mean again?
Out of every 2 times, you should get 1 red card out on the average.
On average, over a long period of time, right? On average, over a long period of time, we should be seeing a red card come out every other time. This does not preclude, of course, the possibility that we can see a run of black. So I want to show you something real quick, and I'm going to have you guys explore this on a quiz, I think next week, the week after. What I've just done right here is I've used Excel to simulate your experiment. So what this is Excel pulling cards out of a deck, and it's only marking whether they're red or black. Every time I press the F9 button, just like you guys did back at 243 on that one project, you get another couple hundred red and black cards. Now, the way it's doing, anybody know how I made Excel do this? It doesn't have a card function.
Conditional formatting.
Conditional formatting, beautiful. But how do I know what color to give it, the red or the black? Check this out.
Letter.
Check this out. If I click into that cell, the command is called rand between 0, 1. If it picks a 0, it's a red card. If it picks a 1, it's a black card. That's it. It's like flipping a coin at this point, isn't it? I could do the same thing with a coin. Flip a coin. Is it red or is it black? Chris, go.
Doesn't it change the probability when you shuffle the cards every time?
It should make it the rand. I'm trying to simulate the rand part of that by shuffling. Making sure, that's why I made the snarky comment about it was picking from the middle of the deck. I can mitigate that. That's an unnecessary comment because I'm shuffling the cards, right? It doesn't matter if I pick from the middle of the deck if I shuffle the cards. It's very important that I put the card back in though, isn't it?
But the possibility is 1 and 2 over a long period of time.
Yes.
If you kept shuffling the cards, so.
Oh, no, the assumption is that it's a randomly drawn card. So the shuffling takes care of the randomness. If I put the card back in the same time each time, then I have to make sure you guys are drawing randomly, which I know I can't bank on, because the human body's going to go to the middle almost every time. Fair? Good point. Very
The
good.
shuffling keeps it at 1 and 2. If you start removing those black cards,
Then it's going to change. It becomes the conditional probability. Very good point, Ben. If I don't put the card back in, suppose we pulled that first black card out. If you then draw again, the probability is no longer 1 and 2. It's close. But then it's going to be 26 out of 51, I think, with my math right in my head, or 25 out of 51, depending on which color you're looking at. I don't want to deal with that. I want to deal with independent events, which make it easier, make the math easier. But notice, there's a couple hundred. What do you see a lot of? And I don't care how you're reading it, whether you're reading left to right or up to down.
Clusters.
Clusters. Look at this, friends.
I haven't seen anything bigger than
That's what happened to you guys, right? So what the hell? Why are you complaining? Why are you complaining? I just happened to press F9 a couple times and I went black, 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 just like what you guys did. So what's the problem? Pick a fight with you right now. Pick a fight with you right now. Tell me your name one more time.
Tracy.
Tracy, I was going to call you Kathy. Tracy, have this up
For
here.
you to show us this display, it'd have to be black, black, black.
Oh no, that's random. I am not, this is not a doctored spreadsheet. Oh my God, please. I know you don't know me very well, Tracy, we just met. But tell her I don't fudge data. I am not Fox News. Now you're going to make me cry a different reason.
No, because
Go
if
ahead.
we would pull the red card, you wouldn't get to show us the
Well,
display.
here's the deal. Watch. There. Oh crap. There's some reds in the beginning. It's random. I never know what's going to happen. I can't predict it. I didn't know those 5 black were going to show up. It's just nice that they did because I could be like, what? But here's the question. What do you notice as I keep go?
A lot of clusters.
A lot of clusters, right?
Of red and black.
A lot of clusters are red and black, which means we can expect the clusters. Give me 4 more words.
On average over time.
On average over time. But we didn't have a whole lot of time. I had you pick 5 cards, right? Here's what I want you guys to do. We'll kick you out of here now, even though you didn't pick the damn red card. If you have access to a deck of cards between now and Thursday, that's great. If you don't, these are the cards I brought with me. grab a deck, just promise me you'll bring it back intact next class. Repeat this experiment either by yourself or with somebody else. Just shuffle the cards. Don't let them see the card deck. Shuffle the cards and pull 5 cards out and keep track of how many red ones that you get. Does that make sense? So you have the website quiz to do for points. This is not for points, it's to start the class on Thursday. I don't want to leave this right here. I want to come back to this with you guys. Fair enough? So if you need the deck of cards, grab it, just make sure you bring it back on Thursday, and just simply shuffle the cards, pull a card out and look at it. Shuffle the cards, pull the card out and look at it, and keep track how many red ones you get after 5 pulls. Do it a couple times to get more data, and then we'll put our data together on Thursday. How's that sound? I don't want to leave this go. We don't have enough time. Even though you didn't get any red cards, and I should keep you here until you do. But you have other classes to get to. See you, David. Rock on, guys. See you then.